everybody, and welcome back. After talking about five major media studies theorists, five major films theorists, and five major contemporary critics, today we are going to talk about five major writers of English in India. द लैंग्वेज एस्पेक्ट, हाँ, जो इंग्लिश इन इंडिया आपका सिलेबस में यूनिट है. वी गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट फाइव मेजर आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑफ इंग्लिश इन इंडिया. The first one is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the pioneer, the first Indian advocate for English education. What was his mission? He believed that Sanskrit and Persian education kept India in the dark ages. And he wrote this letter to Lord Amherst, and he demanded a liberal and enlightened system of instruction, embracing maths, natural philosophy, chemistry, all taught in English. Second was Lord Macaulay, the Minuteman, who wrote the Minute on Indian Education, and he wrote this awful quote: a single shelf of a good European library was worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia. So he wanted to create a class of persons, Indian in blood and color, but English in taste, in opinions, in morals and intellect. So this is known as downward filtration theory also. Okay. Third is Charles Wood, the dispatcher. Wood's dispatch wala, known as the Magna Carta of English education in India. So unlike Macaulay, Wood ने suggest किया एक graded system. इन्होंने कहा वर्नाक्यूलर लैंग्वेजेस को हम प्राइमरी लेवल पे रखेंगे, लेकिन इंग्लिश को हम मीडियम ऑफ एजुकेशन बनाएंगे फॉर हायर एजुकेशन. And this led to the establishment of the first three universities also. Fourth very important name is Braj Kachru, the linguist of the world Englishes, the scholar who legitimized Indian English. इन्होंने एक three concentric circles of English propose किया कि इंडिया जो है वो आउटर सर्कल में है, जहाँ पे इंग्लिश इज इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज, इट्स अ सेकेंड लैंग्वेज रादर देन अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज. एंड फिफ्थ नेम इज जवाहरलाल नेहरू, द pragmatist, the protector of English post independence. 1947 के बाद there was a massive push to make Hindi the sole official language. Nehru ने realize किया that this would alienate the South and it would hinder scientific progress also. So he championed the Official Languages Act, which ensured English would continue to be used as associate official language indefinitely. So this led to the three language formula also: regional language, Hindi and English, which remains the backbone of Indian pedagogy.